Hey everyone, in this video I will compare Jobber and Quote.IQ. Jobber and Quote.IQ may seem alike since both help service-based businesses manage operations, but they serve different roles. Jobber is a software platform designed to help small businesses manage field service operations like scheduling, invoicing, and customer management. It allows you to organize jobs, track employee progress, and communicate with clients all in one place. Users appreciate its easy-to-use interface and mobile app, which makes managing work on the go simple. The platform helps save time by automating renders, quotes, and billing processes. Many businesses report better organization and fewer missed appointments after using Jobber. Some users note that certain features like reporting or integrations could be improved. Quote.IQ is an online platform that helps users compare insurance quotes quickly and easily. It lets you enter your details once and see multiple quotes from different providers, saving time and effort. Users like that it's simple to use and helps them find competitive rates without calling multiple companies. The platform also provides helpful information about coverage options, making it easier to make informed decisions. It's mostly geared toward auto and home insurance though. Overall, Jobber is better for managing field service businesses, while Quote.IQ is better for quickly comparing insurance quotes online. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this.